Hello, welcome back with me, Aditya. This time, I'm really excited to discuss a literary work that may look simple at first glance, but actually carries a strong and highly relevant social issue. The work I will discuss is a picture book titled My Name is Bilal by Asma Mubin Udin. At first, this book is clearly intended for children. However, what makes it interesting is the issue presented in the story is highly relevant for adults because it still frequently occurs in our social life today. Okay, let's get started. The story tells about a young boy named Bilal who moved to new school with her sister Aisha. In this new school environment, Bilal not only faced the challenge of adaptations, but also experiences of discriminations because of his identity as a Muslim. These experiences makes Bilal feel unsafe and pressured, even from his every first day at the new school. Now let's move on the main issue. The story My Name is Bilal contains the issue of Islamophobia. According to the Runnymede Trust, Islamophobia can be understood as fear or hatred toward Muslim Islam, which then leads to attitudes of fear, rejection, or hostility toward Muslim. This issue represented through the character Scud, who is portrayed as strongly hostile toward Muslims. This can be seen the illustration where Scud pulls Aisha's headscarf, which is a form of discrimination against religious practice and shows a lack respect for religion symbol. In addition, Scud say, "This is America. We don't wear dumb thing on our heads." The word "dumb" in this statement is a form of verbal harassment, reflecting the assumption that Islamic religious symbols, specifically the hijab, are considered inappropriate, foolish, and incompatible with American identity. This statement demonstrates a rejection of religious diversity and an attempt to normalize a dominant culture while demeaning Muslim religious practices. As a result of Islamophobic discrimination, a further issue emerges in the story, namely mimicry. According to George, mimicry can be explained as an effort to imitate verbal or nonverbal behavior of others in order to resemble them and be accepted within the social environment. This shown through the character Bilal when he introduced himself by saying, "My first name is Bill." The name Bill is a common name among American children, which becomes Bilal's ways of masking his true identity. Moreover, Bilal also says, "I don't want anyone to know I'm Muslim." This statement shows that mimicry functions as a self-protection strategy, allowing Bilal to avoiding further discrimination and unfair treatment. Okay, and the last, in my opinion, through the picture book My Name is Bilal, we are invited to realize that discrimination does not appear out of nowhere. Islamophobia emerges from ignorance and a lack of understanding, which then give rise to prejudice and discriminatory attitude toward Muslims. For the victims, these conditions make them afraid to be themselves. Differences in the identity are seen as a threat, leading them to hide their true identity in order to avoid discrimination and gain acceptance within their social environment. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.